Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Docker desktop on Windows with WSL2 easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To update Docker desktop on Windows with WSL2, start by opening Docker desktop. In the top right corner of the Docker desktop interface, click on the gear icon to access settings. Check for any available updates by navigating to the About section. If an update is available, you will see an option to download and install it. Click on the Update button to begin the download process. Once the download is complete, Docker will prompt you to install the update. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. During the installation, Docker desktop may close or restart automatically. After the installation, launch Docker desktop again to confirm it has updated successfully. To ensure everything is working, open your command prompt or PowerShell. Type Docker version and press enter to check the installed version. If the version matches the latest release, your update was successful. Now, verify that WSL2 integration is enabled by returning to the Docker desktop settings. Under the Resources section, find the WSL Integration tab. Make sure that the feature is enabled for all your desired Linux distributions. Save your settings and exit the Settings menu. Finally, test your Docker setup by running a simple container, such as docker run hello world. If the container runs without issues, your update is complete, and Docker is functioning correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.